So, you nasty ass dent on the back of my GTI. I guess you gotta ask yourself one question. Do you feel lucky? Do you, punk? Yes, because today we're going to deal with some cosmetic issues, and don't worry, there'll be no blending of foundation, not on this channel, no. Yeah, because today we're going to be dealing with this rather nasty cosmetic damage, and to fix this rather nasty little dent, it's going to require lots of power tools. Most of which are in the shape of guns. So if you don't think that's worth staying tuned for, then yeah, perhaps you should go and get your makeup box out. But if you do like power tools in the shape of guns, then you've come to the right place. And do it. So first port of call then is yeah, probably after the light's got to come off the bumper, this little side plastic wheel arch guard. Then I'm going to use this little bad boy just to grind off all the paint and go from there. And do it. Okay, so that was easy enough. There's 4 bolts holding the sort of crash bar onto the chassis. Took them out, plus the 3 screws just holding on the bumper. And yeah, just slid straight off. Whipped the paint off, and I may have some disappointing news for you. I know certainly I'm a bit disappointed. Yeah, the access to this dent from the inside, yeah, it's really good. So the disappointing part is, yeah, we might not actually need the big yellow laser gun. I say may, we may need to, may still use the gun. There are other guns involved, but just not this one, okay? Right, so if I heat this up, can I wallop 1-inch punch like Bruce Lee, punch this back out from the inside? How do you reckon we get on? And do it. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, I just did keep tapping, and that's not looking too bad. Unfortunately, no big yellow laser gun, but yeah, it should be ready now to start wanging on a bit of what's it called? You know, that pasty stuff. Filler. That's it. Time to get filling and do it. Well, there we go. Whether it's a little one-stop shop on the filler, I'm not too sure, but anyway, it's a little bit cooler than what it specifies on the old drying time, so I'm going to probably Well, it's time for coffee and comments. What do you reckon? Okay, so as it stands, not sure if you can see it, 971 subscribers. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, please, please, please hit that subscribe button, get us over the 1,000 subscriber mark. And if you're watching this and we've already passed 1,000 subscribers, then hit that subscribe anyway. But I want to do a 1,000 subscriber special, and yeah, I want to answer any questions that you guys have. So in the comments on this video, any questions, the more random the questions, the better. So yeah, hit me in the comments, any questions you got. In 1,000 special, I'll be answering them, and hopefully, talk about certain future plans for the channel. That way you guys can give me your feedback and just sort of get an idea of how the channel's going to evolve in 2021. So exciting stuff. So get your questions in, hit subscribe if you haven't already, do it. Time to go and check on the filler. Pretty good. Time then to get the old sand block out and slowly start, getting this to a nice finish. Sanding block. Let's get cracking. Okay, so we're not actually looking too bad, but I do need to give it another quick layer over here. There's a couple of low spots there. Let's wang on. Let's get sanded. Okay, so second time round, I think we just about got there. Feels really good, looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Time then just to give it a quick degrease now. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, while waiting for the second round of filler to dry, obviously just wanged a bit of the old plastic sheeting on. The sun is out, there's zero wind. Let's just smash it out. Today, done. Degrease, primer, and then start having a look at getting the old paint gun loaded and do it. So I have already picked up the old paint. It's a single stage paint, which means it's all good and shiny on one go. How many coats it's going to take, we'll have to wait and see. I've got 200 grams of paint. I hope that's enough. It should be enough. If I don't make any mess ups, that should be good. Let's start loading up the paint gun. Yeah. So there you have it then, how to fix the dent in the back of your car using a bit of firewood. Oops. Yeah, it turned out pretty well. Obviously it was a bit of fine tuning, tapping with the hammers, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the results. But the paint did go down really well actually, and looking at that quarter panel, the actual orange peel effect in the original paint, the paint that's already on the car, versus the new paint, yeah, it's actually probably going to need a big old paint correction on that full quarter panel, but yeah, all that to come. So yeah, fingers crossed this paint job doesn't head south with the frost tonight, but we'll have to wait and see. But that just leaves me to say, I've been Wimpy, you've been awesome for watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to get your questions in, and I'll hopefully see you in 1,000 subs special very shortly. Laters.